If you want that confident vibe, this look is for you. Today I am doing the Siren makeup look. Let's get started. First I am going to color correct my face. Orange for dark spots, green for redness and pimples. Next I'm going to apply concealer of my shade. See, all the redness gone. Then I'm taking my foundation. I'm taking Maybelline foundation in the shade 128. First I'm going to apply it with my fingers, then blend it using a foundation brush. I never get this type of coverage with sponge. Next I'm contouring my face for a sharper look. Also contour my forehead and jawline. For my nose, I am blending the contour with my finger. Fill my brows with eyebrow pencil. Now I'm going to apply concealer to define my eyebrow shape. Blend on my eyelid. Now I'm taking blush on the back of my hand and apply like this. Mm, wow. Next I'm applying a concealer that's 2 shades lighter to highlight my face. First I am applying this brown shade on my crease area. Next I am adding this color to the center of my lid and smudge it slightly. Now I am taking gel eyeliner to draw a sharp wing and also applying it on my waterline. Using the same brown shade, I am smudging the gel liner for a softer look. Then I am applying false eyelashes. For lips, I am starting with the lip liner, beginning at the cupid's bow and outlining my lips. I am smudging the liner slightly on the inner side for a blended effect. Now I am applying liquid lipstick. To create an ombre effect, I am dabbing a little concealer in the center of my lips and blending it out. Finally, I am applying loose powder to set my under eyes. And this is the finished look. The Siren makeup, bold, confident and timeless. I love how powerful this makes me feel. Let me know in the comments if you would wear this look, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.